This is my IRWIN VISE-GRIP wire stripper. I purchased this product because I'm doing a lot of do-it-yourselfer projects at my house, changing a lot of lights and our fixer-upper. One thing I like about this is that I didn't know it came with the pliers tip on it. They help you grab things with that. And it also has a bolt cutter here, which cuts bolts, and it ends up leaving a perfect thread on the end of it. So that's really nice. But yeah, this tool is really good for stripping wires and also crimping them as well. It's very easy to handle, not too hard on the hands, opening and closing it. And yeah, the IRWIN VISE-GRIP wire stripper.